Hello everyone. Welcome you all in Knowledge Center Computer. Today we are going to learn how to open on-screen keyboard in Windows 7. First of all, click on Start button. Then click on All Programs. Then select Accessories. In Accessories, select Ease to Access folder. In Ease to Access folder, click or select On-Screen Keyboard. Now on-screen keyboard is available on screen. You can check it by click on any key like Start button.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive notification first.